We are here again. Nasaan naman tayo?
Di ba last time
Happy family na naman sila. Nandito kami kasi anniversary ng mag-asawa Joshua and Jack, and damay na naman. Nasaan si... Totoo lang, wala akong naalala sa dinaanan natin.
best friends for years.
Wow, Didi. Okay po. This is the Bilyangkas. Care of Bilyangkas. Ito po yung napaka-importante ginagawa po namin dito.
Kasi na po yung anniversary celebration.
Anniversary celebration nila, magkakatan po kami.
Yeah, it's regular. Okay. So we can just knock out one game fast.
Ay, hindi ko na-set kung...
Ay, susunod pala ako sa'yo.
Morning, everyone.
And then, Didi, you're gonna go on the stroller.
Where's the... for this one?
That's
See
Erin.
the six?
Si Erin.
We are here. We're gonna check
Yan yung mga
the
titan na nakatago sa wall.
farmer's market.
Na-activate.
So we're in farmer's market right now.
Yung kinamatay niya, nasaksak siya ng patana.
He's got 56 on that. Yeah. Doesn't matter. He's got 56 on that.
Farmer's market flowers. We have eggs and fruits.
Excuse me.
I know they're so good. It's up to you.
Ah, that's the best. This one. This one. It's so juicy.
Sa farmer's market sa Fontana, minsan hindi ganito ka-fresh eh. Wow. This looks so,
Kubit ang weekend ko. Gusto ko talaga.
Did you try, sis? I knew it. You will get
Oh, I like that one.
Is it good? I wanna try it.
You guys like the ginger?
Oh, the
Ito
grapefruit
kaya yung
one.
ginger?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinag-test.
Tinry mo yung ginger?
Sarap. Parang ano, tilapia na lang kulang.
Tinola. Picture. 1, 2, smile. Aww. May mga boutique din sa gilid, so that's kind of fun. So, it's a perfect farmer's market for a Sunday. Tsaka nakakaakit yung mga gulay, ah. Parang gusto mo talaga maging healthy.
Sugar?
Only the natural stuff.
Like, what kind?
Like stevia and
Oh,
your
stevia, wow.
sugar that's in like
So, may mga shop din. So, that's cool.
Garlic, oregano, chili flakes, avocado oil, and lemon juice.
Guys, fresh chimichurri. Try a little sample today.
Yeah.
Thank you. Small one is 7. Small one is 7. Large is 11.
How was your ano?
Wala na. Gusto ko ng ano, sunflower. Minsan. Charot. Nagparinig.
Paano pag nabulok na yung panty?
Wala na, ubos tapos na. Dami pa dito, plants. This is actually cool. Saka daming tao. Ano yan?
Parang sobrang sarap ng strawberry.
Layer na, ano, parang ang sarap eh. Ang bango pa. May mo dito pa.
Grabe.
Wow! Bili ka kaya?
Bili nga tayo isang
Since I
Bili ka
heard
nga for us.
This is pretty,
Let's
ano,
eat something.
in the reviews that I read, this is the...
So, bili kaming strawberries.
Nakaka-attract eh.
Be, look at the kamatis.
Five?
How much is it?
5.
How much for 3? 14.
Because I also wanna get the blueberry.
Can we do
One and one,
like blueberries and then strawberries?
one and one single, It's 50 for 3.
15 for 3.
No, let's
Only
just,
strawberries is 14. Only the mix is 50.
it's okay, let's just get one and one.
One and one?
Okay.
Yeah, because we're just gonna eat like on the way. Can we choose?
Yeah.
Which one?
Smells so good.
You choose for us. I don't know which one.
Ah,
Yeah.
are you good with that? You let her choose and then you're like,
Okay, I'll get one. So we can get the small ones and then they can share.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, for the kids.
Yogurt.
Oh, sige, kuha ka isa. Tikman natin. How much?
Hindi, pwede mo tikman muna. Ang dami namin. Ito si Micah magnanatela. Ayan na.
Try it and tell Ninang if you want it.
Mo to.
Like it?
Tignan mo yan. Sobrang sarap
That's
yan.
good.
That one is really
This is other yogurt.
Ano to?
lemon.
Mm.
Napakasarap, di ba? It's like a beverage. Are you gonna eat it right now?
Yummy.
Ano yan?
Nutella.
Let's just pay.
Yeah, go.
Mag-asawa nga kayo.
Daddy, black sesame.
And then, I'm not trying to look at that. I don't know if it's matcha or pistachio.
How was it so far? We're eating so much food in here.
Masarapan siya.
Yan yan, let's go! Nabusog na. Ang daming nakain. Tinapay, strawberries. Ang haba pala, no? Ano? Oh, hindi ko nakita. Mga dates, grapes. Parang mga, ano sila? Pasta, cheese. Mga bread. Bread. Lahat ng bread. Oh, tingnan mo na doon. Ano, may butohan dito. Mm. Wow! Dami rin tao dito. Very busy eh, no? Tapos may art gallery dito. San Clemente Art Gallery.
Nagsasalita.
Nagsasalita na ako, guys. Kasi yung Ayan. Check namin kung anong meron. Ayan, mga painting. Hindi pwede mag-video and picture eh. Ito lang yung in-allowed sa akin. So the artist is in this gallery today. Ayan. And here's another one of him. There's a big skeleton coming here. At gustong mag-picture ng mga bata.
One,
Kids, picture here.
look here. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Oh, first picture, scared. Look here, hindi kay Ate Jade.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Happy. Teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Oh, silly. One more. What is it? Hi. A trolley. It's a trolley.
If you look at their side, there's
It's a good farmer's market. Really nice. That's it for this farmer's market dito sa San Clemente. And we're on to the next.
Put my seatbelt.
Ha? Ha? Ano yun, anak?
Magkano to kay Jada?
My yogurt.
Do you wanna get your yogurt too?
Yeah.